Ever wondered what kind of cars the rich and famous cruise around in? Well, today we're pitching into the world of luxury with the top 5 cars that rich people just can't resist. We're booting things off with number 5. Can you guess which car it might be? Hint. It's known for its perfect craftsmanship and incredible performance. The BMW 760Li is a super fancy car that rich people really like a lot. It's not just any car. It's one of the fanciest ones you can get. When you sit inside, it's like being in a super calming dream. The seats are covered in super soft leather, and there are lots of cool gadgets inside that make everything easy. It's like a magical world of comfort and technology. But what makes this car super special is its engine. It's not just any engine. It's a V12 engine, like having 12 powerful superheroes under the cover. This engine gives the car an amazing amount of power, and it can go super fast, almost like a superhero's car. But even though it's powerful, it still gives you a smooth and comfortable ride, just like a luxury car should. So, the BMW 760Li is the ultimate dream car for people who know what they want and like to enjoy the best of the best. At number 4, we have a car that's been a dream for many car supporters. The Lexus LFA is a super fancy car that rich people really want. It's not something you see every day because there are only 500 of them in the whole world. That makes it super special and very hard to find. It's like finding treasure. The engine inside is like a rocket engine. It can zoom from being completely still to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. That's faster than you can say supercar. The LFA is like a piece of artwork. It looks stunning from the outside with a design that's like a work of art. People who love cars dream about having an LFA because it's not just a car, it's a collector's dream. It's like having a rare and beautiful painting that you can drive. So rich people love the LFA not only for its speed, but also because it's a special and rare gem. All right, now let's uncover number 3. This car is an absolute legend in the world of automobiles. The McLaren F1 is not just any car, it's a legend in the car world. Imagine this, it used to be the fastest car in the whole world. That's how amazing it is. What makes it super special is that it has 3 seats inside. Most cars have 2 or 4 seats, but the McLaren F1 has just 3. It's like having a VIP section in your car. And it can go super fast. It can zoom all the way up to 240 miles per hour. That's like flying on the road. When you look at it, you'll see that it's not like the regular cars you see every day. And now, for our second place winner, we have a car that combines luxury and eco-friendliness. The Lexus LS600H is a super fancy car that's just right for rich people who want to be both fancy and good to our planet. It's like having the best of both worlds. This car is special because it's not just powered by one engine. It uses both gasoline and electricity to move. It's like a superhero car that can save fuel and make the air cleaner. That's great for our environment. When you sit inside, you feel like you're in a palace. Finally, it's time for the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 car that rich people simply love. But before we expose the ultimate ride, let's keep you on the edge of your seat. This car is an engineering-made. The Porsche 959 is a car that car lovers adore. It's not just any car. It's like a superstar in the car world. Imagine having a car that's also a famous piece of history. This car is super special because it's not just fast, it's like a work of art on wheels. It has a design that never gets old, like a classic painting that everyone loves. And when you see it, you can't help but be amazed by its beauty. So, there you have it, the top 5 cars that rich people drive. These cars are not just modes of transportation. They're statements of power, luxury, and style. Which one would you choose if money was no object? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.